Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael Adedapo, and in this video tutorial, I would like to teach you how to design an hotel booking website. How to build an advanced hotel booking website with every booking details from the basic to the end of it. So now this is the site we're going to be looking at. Can you see? I'm going to teach you how to build everything. I'm going to give you the template, everything, and we are building them from scratch. And if you don't want to build them from scratch, I will also give you the template to use. But then let's just build everything from scratch till even you can come and check the room. Everything, they are very well standard and professional. So without wasting much of a time now, I'm just going to wait for the room to load up, and then we move to our website that we'll be using. So this is the room list now. Can you see it? This is the room list, and you can decide to pick anyone you want and just book your room, and then check the details, book the room, and then make your payment if you like. So but then without wasting much of our time, this is the site we want to use now. Can you see this is the empty site? Let me reload it again. It's an empty site. So can you see the site is empty? So let's go and start building our website from scratch. Now the first thing we need to do is to go to our theme and install your themes and plugin. So I'm going to wait, and I need to first delete. Okay, this is the theme we'll be using, Kadence. I have it installed before. I'm just going to activate it. So in case you don't have the Kadence, just click on add new themes and search for Kadence, and you'll be able to install it. Hope you understand. And then we also, now for example, maybe you don't have the theme here. Let me just come here, click on add theme, and come to popular. Okay, yeah, popular. Under popular, you will see Kadence themes. Can you see this is the Kadence themes? Just search for Kadence. You will even see it here. Click on install and activate. And after that, you come to your plugin section. So when you come to your plugin section, we're going to install some 4 plugins. Now let's do that first. I'm going to click on add plugin. And the first thing I want to install is to install my Elementor. Okay, let me just search for it here. I should be able to Elementor. When I search for my Elementor here, it's going to load up for me. All I need is this. This is the Elementor web builder. Click on it. And after that again, what else do you need? Okay, let me just install essential add-on. Even though I'm not sure you're not going to need it, but then let me install it. And there is 2 more plugins we need. So let me install the other 2 more plugins, which is classic widgets. Let me just come to popular. Now when you come to popular, you see the classic widget. Just scroll down. Just scroll down to where you see classic widget. This is it. You can search for this name or just scroll down. And after this, we need 1 more plugin to install, and that is Vik Booking. That is the plugin that will help us to do our booking room, hotel room, and the likes. So this is the plugin. This is it. So just on install now. So after you have installed this, now the next thing you need to do now is to go to all your install plugin, which is this place. Can you see install plugin? Go to this place and go and activate all the plugin, because if you did not activate them, they will not work. So come here and click on activate and click on apply. So I'm going to wait for you to activate all of them. So immediately you click on activate now, and it's going to take you to all this one, but you don't need to. I'm just going to skip this. I don't even need all this thing. Now the next thing now is to do my setting. Come to setting here and come to your reading. Okay, before coming to reading, let's go back to our pages. Then we need to create some pages. One of the pages we're going to be creating for this particular stuff is to create our home page, our about us page, and probably our contact us page. I'm going to click on add new page. So when I click on add new page, it's going to take me to where I can create my pages. So all I need to do now is to wait for it to load. Now the first page I'm going to create is home page. I'm going to type home here. Come to this place. Change it from default template to default template. Click on it. Click on this place. Put it in Elementor full width and click on publish. So once you finish creating this home page, click on add another page again. Just click on this place. So the next page we want to create now is our about us page. About us. So do the same setting again. Default. come here, show it, publish. Why the last page I'll be creating for now is contact us page. So the plugin, the hotel booking plugin I install will create the other pages for room and the like. So I'm going to create contact us. Come here, come here, come to this place, pick this and click on publish. So after creating this now, the next thing now I need to do is to scroll down to my setting. Or let me go to my appearance. Let me go to my appearance first and click on menu so that I can create my menu. So now menu are it is usually good when you have menu on your website because it makes it easy for people to navigate. So I will come to this box and I'll click on, I'll just give it main menu and I will give it primary and mobile. So I'll click on create menu. So after creating this menu, the next thing I will do now is that I will add all the pages I created. All these pages, I'm going to click on select all and click on add to menu. So I've added them to my menu now. Now after adding them to my menu, I will arrange them. So drag this home to be the first, drag this to be the second, and I'll click on save menu. Now my menu has been saved, but if you come to this place now, if I refresh now, you will see that my menu has been, all the menu will show you. This has my menu. But now, this is not showing the home page. This home now, if I click on it now, it will take me to a new page. Can you see now? This is the home page. Why if I come to, if I come to the main site, which is this main site, can you see that it's not showing me the home? So what I need to go and do now is to come to this place, go to my setting, come to setting here, and come to permalink, reading rather. Click on reading. And then put it in a static page and change it from home page to home. A static page, pick home page as home and then scroll down and click on save changes. Now after you have done this, the next thing you need to do now is to go to your permalink and put it at, let me just click on permalink here now. So when I click on my permalink, it's going to take me, by default WordPress usually use day and name. So I will change it from day and name to post name. And after changing it from that, I will click on save changes. Now this is the first step now. Now we have done the first step. The next thing we need to do now is we need to create our header and our footer. So without wasting much of our time now, I can come to this particular place, refresh now. If I refresh now, it will be showing on a normal way I want it to show. Can you see now? Now I want to create my header and my footer. So what do I need to do? I'm going to click on customization. So I will open this in a new tab. Now, when you are creating your header and your footer, like for example now, if you look at this particular site, this is my header, and if you scroll down, this is my footer. So how do we create it? So let's go ahead and create our own header and footer. So I'm going to wait for it to load out for me. Now it has loaded up for me. The first thing I want to do is to set up my color and font first. That's the first thing. So I'll click on this color and font and I will click on color. Now I have two color I do use. This is the two color I'll be using. Color 1. I'll pick this. So I will use this color 1 for this and this. So don't worry, in case you need the color code, I may share it with you. So I will click on this place. Paste the color 1. Click on this place also. Place the color 1 also. Now I'll come back here again to copy my color 2. I'll click on this black here, this third color. I'll paste my color 2 there. I'll click on this one also. I'll paste my color 2 there. That's all. So after doing this, I'll click on save change, publish. The next thing I want to do now is I want to come back to my my typography. I will click here and change it from system default to popping. I use popping, P-O-P-P. Yeah, can you see this is popping? And I might change it this place to 20. Yeah, fine. So I'll click on publish. Now after I'm done with this, now the next thing now is I'll look at the button. Button is taking the right color I want it to take. Fine. The next thing now is that I want to edit the header. I'll come back and click on header. Immediately I click on header, I'll come to I can come to my design here and change this white background to any of this my first color. Just pick this first color. Can you see it now? Fine. Now immediately I change that, the next thing I will do now is that I will come to my logo. Click on this logo here. Just change it to white. Straightforward, no stress. White. And I will come to my primary menu and I will change it to white. Navigator. Just change it to navigation. Just change it to white. Click on this. Change it to white. Click on this. Change it to white. That's all. So after that I can just scroll down. Let me see, maybe I need to increase anything. Yeah, let me just bold it a little bit. Give it 700. Yeah, fine. So I'm done now. Now the next thing I want to do is, if you look at our website here, we have a button here, find room. Fine. So let me come here again. So I'm just going to come here, click on a button and come to this button place. I'll just put find room. So I'll just put hashtag here because I've not created the room link. So, and I will come to the setting, design, come to your design, change the color, the background color to white. Yeah, background color to white. This also white, and I will change this text color to this our first color. Yeah, exactly. So now, yeah, great. So the next thing I want to do now is that I will scroll down and give it a border radius of 100 to make it round. Nah, fine, cool. I'm done with the header now. The next thing I want to do is to see how it looks like on the mobile. So for me to check it on the mobile, I have to reduce my screen here a little bit. Now if you see on the mobile now, this is still showing. I'll just come here on the mobile, click on this. Just give it the same white background. Don't worry if it's not showing, it will still later show sometime. So click on this also, change it to this, and come to design, make it 45, and come to this place, change it to white, and come to this place also, change it to white. Then after that, click on it. You see it here now that click on this place, change this one to white. Yeah, fine. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is that it's not really that bold enough to me. I'm going to change it to like 16. Scroll down. Let me use 600. Yeah, great. And then the next thing I want to do right away is to come here to add my button again. Button. When I add this button, I'm going to set it up again and change it to find a room. Find room. So I think I will just put hashtag here for now. But let me check how the body look like here. Okay, in case the button is not really showing up for now, but then it will show up when I reset it, when I set it up. So let me come to my design. Okay, I actually like it. I like it the way it is now. All I need to do now is to click on publish. I'm done with the home page now. Let me come back to my desktop. Let's close out of this. See, now I will need to, the next thing is my footer section. So let me come back here and scroll back and come to where is the footer? Yeah, footer. Click on footer. We have two footer. So what I'm going to do first is come here, change the whole background to widget title, make it white. Yeah, white. And widget content, make it white. So the next thing is scroll down. You see background row, button background row. This is it. Yeah, give it this first color. Yeah, great. Can you see now that it has changed now? Yeah, I like this. Now come to link color. Link your color. Can you see link color? Change it to white. Everything I want it to be white. I like using one simple two color maximum. So now The next thing I want to do is that I want to, if you look at this our footer here, we have something like this. Yeah, great. So let's come and do that. So the next thing I want to do here now is I want to add widget 1 here. Click on this plus icon here again, widget 2. Click on this plus icon here again and change it to widget 3. And come to this setting to set everything right once and for all. So I'm going to widget title, I want it to be white. So widget content, I want it to be white also. So I'm going to reduce this, what's it called, the size. Yeah, let me reduce the size to 15 maximum. Yeah. So link color, I want it to be white. Link color white. So what else again? My row background also, I want my row background to be the same color, this color. Yeah, fine. So all I have to do is that I have to come here now, click on this so that I can edit this WordPress theme by Kadence. I'm going to scroll up, come to general here. So I'm going to remove this theme credit, delete it, and put this. So when I put this, I'm going to put a space design by the leading web design. So after putting this my write-up, I'm going to link it up and put my own link here so that people that come to this website, HTTPS, can know that this is my website, that theleading.com. So anybody that come to this website now can easily locate my link. When they come to this to view this website now, they can easily click on this to be able to see my website. So from there, I'm going to publish it. Now, we are about to finish with our footer and header. Now, if you come here now, if you refresh now, you see that we have done with our header and footer. Let's just go to now, our header and footer. But if you look at it, there's something that is still wrong here. What is that? The fact that this is it. We have this, but this is not really showing in our own, right? Fine, let's go and do that. So we're going to do that here. Let's come to the back end of our WordPress here, right? So come to your, what is it called? Just try to locate your appearance. Under your appearance, don't forget we install a plugin called Classic Widget. So this is the plugin. This is the widget. Click on the widget. This widget is what will allow us to be able to do the functionality we want to do. Now, the first thing we're going to pick here is we're going to pick this text. Can you see this text? Click on it and click on footer 1. So that means on footer 1, we want to have text there. So what we're going to put here is we're going to put who we are. I'm going to put who we are. And I'm going to come here, copy the write-up here. I'm not going to change anything. Just come here, paste it, and save it. So, I click on done. So I'm going to go to footer 2 now. Footer 2 will be navigation menu. This is navigation menu. Click on it and display it in footer 2. I want to display it in footer 2. Click on add widget. So we're adding navigation menu to our footer 2 and you click here. So in footer 2 now, I'm going to put quick link. And I'm going to click my main menu here. Select, under the select menu, click on main menu. Click on save. And click on done. Now under footer 3, now we're going to use text also. Click on text and scroll down. Use footer 3 and click on add widget. So once you're done with that, what we're going to come to do here is put in your contact information. I just will get in touch. Get in touch. I will come here, copy these all details, and you can put in whatever thing you want to put there. Now click on Ctrl V and I click on save. So click on done. Now so far so good. Now if you come back to this place and refresh, you will see that we have been able to build our what? Can you see now? We have this, we have this, we have this. But then this is not really look like what we have here, right? Yes. Now what we need to do now is we need to come back here and come and refresh so that we can be able to have the same thing. Now if you look at it now here, now this is them now. So one of the things I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on this pencil icon. And when I click on this pencil icon, immediately I click on this pencil icon, I'm going to click on this particular cell. So I'm going to click on this place. Immediately I click on this particular place, see that it show out to me. I'm going to put it on center. So now I will come to mobile, so that, because if you look at it on mobile, this is how it will look like, and the site will not be really cool. So I'm going to change this from center to left alignment. So everything is looking cool to me now. Fine. Now the only thing I want to do now is that I want to change it back to desktop. So when I change it back to desktop, the next thing I want to do is that we have a lot of space here. So I want to reduce this one also. So I'm going to click on this pencil icon, and I'm going to come to design, and I'm going to change the font style to like 15. Yeah, fine. And then I'm going to scroll down. Just scroll down here. Okay, leave that now for now. Come to this button row here. Scroll down. Take away the button space. Take it away. Fine. Now what I'm going to do now is also I will come to this particular place. This place. I will also do the same thing for the button space. Bottom space also. Take it away also. And then I will give top space 45. Then I will publish it. So now I will come back to the front end now and refresh. You see that everything we have done now, it has been it's coming out the way we actually want it. Yeah, fine. So the next thing we need to do now is that we have done the header and the footer. Now our site is looking matured a little bit now. So the next thing we need to do now is to go and start designing our own page. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on this particular page to design the home page. But then I'm thinking that before I design this home page, let me go back to my dashboard and go and set up the room and all the booking stuff. So now this is my dashboard now. So if you want to set up your room and booking process, all you need to do is to come to this VI booking and click on it. So when you click on it, the first thing I want us to do now is to come to this global here. Yeah, so the first thing, when you get to this place, the first thing you need to do is to do this initial setup. Now the initial setup starts from type of price. You click on configuration. So when you click on configuration, the first thing we have in this type of price is they will show to you, do you have a standard price rate or non-refundable rate? You know, most of an hotel, when you're going to an hotel, they will tell you that, okay, we have a non-refundable rate and we have our standard price. Anyone you feel like going with, say you understand. So, and if you feel like, okay, I want to set my own customized price, you can click on close. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to click on this rate plan. So I'm going to go with what we have here. Click on rate plan. So you might not actually understand what this standard price and non-refundable rate mean, but when we start this process, you will see. Now, the first thing I want to do is to create our room. Click on configuration. So when you want to create your room, you will see now from here, now we don't have any room here. So the first thing I'm going to do on that room is category. I want to create the different category of room we have. And if you know, most of the time when you go to an hotel, they will tell you that we have the one for 30K, we have the one for 50K, we have the one for 100K. So for here now, we don't have any category at all. I'm going to click on new category. Now, for the hotel I've worked with, I've built with, so I realize that some of them have 3 category of rooms. So the first category of room that they have is what we call standard room. So when I'm click on, all I need to do is to click on save. So I've created standard room. I will click on new category again, and most of the time after standard room, some people have this deluxe room, like, you know, people that want to feel like special. Just click on it, just type your deluxe room. But then if you are doing it for a client, you need to ask the client and ask him that what type of category of room did they have, so that you can be able to create them once and for all. So the third, I will click on the third category now, which is, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using standard room, deluxe room, and executive room. So these are the 3 type of category of room we're going to be having for the sake of this tutorial. Now, after we have created this 3 category of room, what next? Now, the next thing is to go and create our room. So I'll come back to here and go back to my room list. Room list is a page that shows all the list of your room. So now we don't have any room here. So I'm going to come back to new room now, so that I can create my room. So guys, follow me. Don't worry, I'm going to give you all the video, all the picture, everything I use for this particular stuff. Now, the first thing I'm going to type is, what is the name of this room? I'm going to call it standard room. How many units do we have? We have like 10 rooms in our hotel. How many adults can come? Minimum of 1, maximum of 2. maybe you want to carry your babe, come everywhere. Maybe you're coming with your wife, your brother, anybody. So maximum of two for standard room. What about children? We don't want children. I don't want children. Okay, let's just say one. If one from the let's just say one children. Now, what will be the category? You click on it now. You see the reason why we first created our category now, so that you can be able to have something to put here. So I'm gonna pick this one as standard room. What will be the room characteristics? There's a free Wi-Fi, there's a TV, flat screen, air condition, there's bedroom. That's all. Can you book multiple rooms? Of course, yeah. If you are doing wedding and you want to come and use our hotel, you can book multiple rooms. So after that again, what next again? Suggest custom price, setting price. Our price, let's just say our price is for standard room is 150K per night, 150,000 custom label per night. And after that, show calendar. Let me just show calendar charges only. So that's what I'm gonna show. Okay, yeah, it's okay like this. So I'm gonna just leave it like this, and then come to my setting here. I'm gonna just put in standard room here. I added it before the page title. I like using add it after the current page title. Replace the current page title. Yeah, I'll just put it like this. Yeah. So what else again? If you have your Google API key, you can enable this one, but I'm not going to enable this one now for now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a picture here. So the picture room. So I'm going to click on here. Don't worry, I'm going to give you the picture I use for all this. So I'm going to come to desktop, and I'm going to go to my hotel picture, and I'm going to scroll down to where I have my standard room. Can you see this is the picture of my standard room? Click on open. Then I've uploaded the picture here now. So I'm going to click on extra picture so that when people come to our the room, they can be able to see more than one picture. So I'm going to come to this another picture for standard room. You see that everything is starting with SSS. So I want to add another picture to it again to make it theory. So I'm going to click on this and click on where the other third picture for standard room. This is it. Yeah. And that's all. So after this, let's put something that talk about the room, how the room look like. Let me just come here and come and copy some right up here. So I'm just going to copy simple and this for the hair. Let me just copy this. I'm going to paste it for the short description. Paste this one. Paste. That's all. So I've been able to do. I'll click on save and close. Yeah, that's what I'm going to click on. Just click on save and close. So we have been able to create this room now. This first room. So, and after we click on save and close now, it's going to just work. Now, you will now see where the rate coming now. Can you see now? What is the rate? The rate is 150 per night for standard rate. But for those who want to pay, go for non-refundable, you make it of 100. So this 100, once you are paying 100K, if anything happen, we are not refunding your money again. So that is just it. Click on insert basis. So once you click on it, it's going to load up all this thing for you, but you are less concerned about this. You don't have anything to do here. You can just come to here again, come to room list. So this is here we want to add another room again now. So let me add another one room again. So after I add another one room to it, I will pause the video and go and add the remaining room. So here now, I want to do deluxe room. So how many units of deluxe do we have in our hotel? We have 5 rooms, or let me just say 7. Yeah, 7, and let me just make it 6. 6. Maximum of people that can come to this room is 3, and children they're just 2. So I will scroll down to here. What are the characteristics? What are the room category? Deluxe characteristics. It has free Wi-Fi, flat screen TV, air conditioner, bedroom, and we have mini bar. So multiple, yeah, enable multiple booking. You can book as many rooms you want to like. So the price is starting from 250K. Let me just is per night, and then I'm just going to show system calendar. Yeah, charges only, and you can decide not to show anything if you like. So I'm just going to come to this place. I'm going to put in dealer's room. I'm going to scroll up here, share with calendar. No, I'm just leave all this in. You can do anything you want to like with it. So I'm going to put in the short description here for dealer's room. I'm going to scroll here and copy this and come here. Sorry, come here. Paste the short description here and paste the in here. We have the long description. You can just show anything there. So the room image, the room image. I'm going to come here. I have dealers. Can you see this is the dealer's one? Click on open. I'll come to this place also. Add other extra picture. This is another dealer's room. Click open. So I will click on add another image. Click on this here, and this is the third one. Click on open. So this is for the theory room now. So for the dealer's room, and that's the theory picture I'm going to be using. I'm going to click on save and close. Don't forget to always use save and close. So once I do that, so it's going to take me to where I can set up the standard rate also. So I'm going to say, okay, my standard rate for here is 250k. My non-refundable is 200k. Insert. So after saving it now, can you see now? Now fine. Let me go back to create the third room now. So for the sake of this tutorial, because I don't want it to be long, I have to pause this video so that I can create the third room now. I believe you guys know how to create the third room. You know how to create a room now. Let me pause it and go and create the third room. So these are the theory room now. We have the standard room, the dealer's room, and the executive room, and we have, oh, I think I made a mistake here. Just one. Okay, I'm just going to go with it. I forget to just increase the number of units we have here. So I'm going to go along with that. So now the next thing I want to do now is that we have done with creating the room. Let's come back, click on this place. So once you click on this place, it's going to take you back to the home page. Now, can you see now? Just click on save, yeah. Now, you notice now we have done with type of room, type of price, room, and cost and pricing. The next thing now is to create the short code. Yeah, click on this configuration here. So now, in this configuration here, we see that we don't have any short code here. So let's start creating our short code. Click on name. So one of the things I love about this software is that it makes it so easier for us. So the first thing I'm going to click on is to come here, type. The first thing is I want search form. I'm going to click on search form here. Search room here. I'm going to scroll up. Details, I want it to be that so that it can be all the stuff. So I'll scroll up and click on save and new. The reason why I use save and new is that once you save that one, it will open a new one for me so that I can continue the work. So the next one is I need room list. I'll come here and type room list. And I will just click on, oh yeah, I'm just going to go with all like that. So click on save and new. So I think it remains one or two for me to just round up everything here. So I'll come here again. I'll click on booking details. Or let me just use room availability. Room availability. And click on save and new. So I'll just create one more. That's booking details, no, room list, room details. Yeah, room, and then I'm just gonna call it room details. I think I'll change from booking details. I don't. So I'll just call this place booking details. Okay. Okay. Let me use booking list. Sorry. Booking list. And I think that's all I'll be creating for now because of time. So save and close. So immediately I click on save and close now, I will just round up everything. So you see now, I'll come here and click on create page. Yes, create. So I'll wait for it to be created. You know, I've created the short code, but I want the short code to be in form of page. So I'll come again, room list, create page again. So I will do the same for all the 14 I have here. So room availability, create page. Yeah, so why booking list, create page. Everything that pertains to this room now, we have set everything. Now, the next thing now we need to do is that if you come here now, we don't have our room here. So let's link this our room. So I'm going to come here now to my setting. No, my appearance. Come to menu. I will open it in a new tab because I don't want to close this page. Now, if I open this in a new tab now, you will see that there are so many pages we have here now. You know, before we just have only 3 pages, which is about us, contact us, and home page. But now we have booking list, room availability, room list, and everything. So I'm going to add this room list to my menu. And I'm going to drag it up to where after home. Yeah, fine. So I'm going to change the name to our room. So yeah, I like it like this. I'm going to click on save shape menu. So the next thing after this menu is being saved now, I'll come back here to refresh. Now, if you refresh this is our website now, you know we have just 3 stuff here now. We have our room here now. Now, if you click on this our room here now, you will see, can you see this is the list of our room here now? Fine, it's looking attractive now. Great. So let's go and do something. First thing, I want to change this find room to a normal link that should be there. I'm going to click on customize. Let me close out of this place. And let me come to my booking here. So find room is, if you look at this place, you see search room. Just copy, you can copy the link here. Copy link address. And I will come here. So I will just come to header. And I'll come to my button. And I'll remove this hashtag that is here. And paste it here. And I'll come to the one in home. Change the stuff that is here. And put it here. Yeah, great. So publish. So I'm waiting for it to be published. Fine, close out of it. Now, merely I close out of it now. The next thing for me to be start doing now is that everything is standard, everything is working perfectly now. Now, the next thing I need to do now is I need to just start designing my home page. So guys, I'm going to come here now. Come to my click on this so that I come to my home page. Now, if you look at my home page now, it's not really looking though, you know, the attractive way we want it. So fine, but without wasting much of a time, I'm going to click on edit page in a new tab. And once I click on edit page in a new tab, it will take me to this particular page where I can see my stuff. So I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. And I'll wait for it to load up for me. Now I'm going to see how I can just try and do something. Just click on this place so I can show you how this home page look like, and we can build it from scratch. And at the same time, you know, I promise you guys that I'm going to give you a template. I'll build the home page from scratch, so I have the template also with me, so I can also show you that also, so that we don't have to waste our time in creating this. You know, at Delivery Web Design, one of the things we do, we do here is that we make things easy for all our viewers. So first, we have this hero section, this big hero section. This is an heading, this is a write-up, and this is a button, right? Fine, let's do that here. So I'm going to come here, click on this, and come to this place, make it center, and give it center here, and scroll up, and give it 400. But let me just make it 500. And then the next thing I'm going to do now is to come to my style, add the image, come to classic, select the image you want to add. Oh no, I'm not going to use classic. I want it to be a sliding image. Come to slideshow. So select the 3D image you need. I'm going to come to upload media, select the picture I need. So I'm just going to select all the picture here. Okay. Let me just pick. I have some of the picture here that I need. Okay. I think I'm going to use this. install. So I'll wait for it to install the image. So I install more than, so I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on create new gallery. So one of the things I want to set it like this. Bring this here, bring this here, and yeah, it's okay like this. Set it inside gallery. And one of the things I'm going to change is I'm going to change it from 500 to 3005. I'm going to change it from, let's go down from 500 here. I'm going to put it 350 also. Background size, I'm going to use cover. Background position, I'm going to use center. Yeah, fine. And I will scroll down to give it a background overlay. See my background overlay. I'm just going to give it a classic, give it a black of 0.5, make it black. Yeah. And I'll come here, give it 0.6. And then I'll just come here again. Now, drag my heading, come here again, drag my right up. And come here again, drag my button. That's the only thing I needed. Yeah, cool. So let's start editing. Now, the first thing you need to do first is, after you've done all this thing, you still need to come to this place, click on this site setting. Yeah, you need to come and set your site, both the color and the, now because this is the default color that Elementor come with, and it will not pick the color of our website. I'm going to come here. The first thing I want to do with this color is that I have my color code here. I'm going to copy this first color code. Ctrl+C, come here, paste my color code here. Come here, send, paste my color code here. That is how to do it. So this middle one, this is it. Just follow my step, please. Copy this color code. I'm going to give you the color code. Paste it here. Come here again. Paste the color code here and click on save changes. And save your stuff. Why? The next one we're going to do now has been saved. Come back here. Come to your global font. Can you see that immediately we do that, this color change. So come to your global font, change it from Roberto, Roberto, anyone. I'm going to change it to popping. Everything is going to be popping. So I'm going to put popping. I don't know why I like popping now. If not popping, it must be Montserrat. That's my two color. So this is it. I'm going to click on save changes now. So I've saved everything now. So once I finish saving the front I want for my Elementor, it has been saved. I'm going to exit out of it. Click on this star. Now you will see that the interface will be a little bit, changed from what we have there initially. So without wasting much of our time now, all I have to do now here is this heading. I'll just come here, copying this. Ctrl+C, come back here. Before I paste this heading, I'll come here, change this place to 900. This layout, change it to 900 or 1000. Let me just put it to 900. So I'm going to come here, paste my heading here, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+V. And I'm going to come here, copy this right up, Ctrl+C, come back here, paste this right up here, Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C. Then first thing I need to do now is I need to start with my heading. Come to my heading, come to style, give it a color, background color of white, and then give it a font size of 45. Make it center. Fine. Give it a line height of 55 pixels, or make it 60. Great. So I'm going to come here again, do the same thing, make this in center, give it a white color, and then it's okay. I'm okay with this. Then come here again, change this place to find room, and I'm going to give it an arrow. I'm going to just look for an arrow, just type arrow here. So this is the one I want to use, this arrow, and I click on insert, and then I will change it from left to end. Yeah, and give it 15 margin, I'll be 15 space. Okay, this is 15. Can you see? Now I'm going to copy it, come here, come to my website here. You know I put the link here. Come here, copy the link, paste it here, and then everything is looking attractive, right? Great. So I'm going to come here, come to this place, give it a padding of top and top. I'm going to give it a padding of 50. I'm going to give it a padding of 50 also button, or let me make it 80. Yeah, great. So I want my hotel website to look nice, so I'm going to come to my mobile. You see it's not really looking professional on mobile, right? Great. Come here, so come to my setting here, change it from 45 to 35. So scroll down, change this from EM to PS, and change it from 60 to 45. Great. Yeah, come to this place. I can reduce this place to 15, but at the same time I think I still like it like this, but let me just see I can change it to 15. Fine. So I'm going to come here now, give it a padding, all round padding of, I'm just going to close out of this. I'm going to give this place 70, give this place 10, give this place, no, let me change this place from 10 to 5, give this place 70, give this place 5. 5, 5, you know, work. Let me just make it 2 and make this place also 2. Yeah, no, I think 5, 5 is okay. Yeah, 5, 5 is okay. It's because of the screen. 5, 5 is okay. Yeah, fine. So what I'm going to do now is that, don't worry about this, how it look like here. I want to make sure this button is round. I like it to be always round. So I will just come here, click on this button, come to this place, change it to round, give it border radius of 100. Now, fine. This is how they build this place. Now, second place here is we have 2 columns here. Can you see 2 columns? Image and heading here. So I'm just going to come here. I'm going to pick this column here, pick these 2 columns, and make it center, and give it 20 space here. 20. Yeah, great. So the first thing I'm going to put inside this first column is image. Delete. I don't want this. So image was, drag it inside this place. Pick the image. Here's the image, and select, and come to this place. Drag your heading here. So come back here, drag your right up, and come here, just copy this one, copy and paste it here. Yeah, we have all our stuff, and what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna come to this place, give it, come here, come to here, and give it, unlink this place, give it 75 or 70 at the top, bottom, give it 70. Yeah, can you see? So we are done with this again. You can just fill up it with the right top, and then the next place is this one. So, and after that, this place again. And once you get this place right, all you need to do is just to do what? To duplicate this one, to duplicate it here. So without wasting much of our time, because I won't like to make this video long. Yeah, I learned it from my boss, and I spent almost 3 hours sitting down with my boss video to learn how to build this thing. So instead of you passing through all this stress, I've come to do something for you. So let me just come here. Let me click on this file folder. Come to this place. Come to my template. And you see that you don't have any template here. Yeah, so if you don't worry about maybe you have a template or not, just come to this install, import template, click on it, and select file. So once you click on select file, this is it. If under the picture, so just click on it. I will give you access to everything at the end of this video. Click on continue. Click on enable and import. So immediately you click on enable and import. All you have to do is just to wait for it to load the the template up for you. So immediately the template is being installed, our work is being reduced to the minimum. So you don't have to struggle, you don't have to stress yourself. All you need to do is just to edit. That is all. And before you know it, you are done building your whole website within a token of an height. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. Now guys, can you see the template has been actually been imported? Can you see this is the hotel homepage template? So just click on insert and click on apply. And once you click on apply, you will see that what you are struggling to spend hours upon hours to build, you get it done as soon as possible. So and I'll just wait for it to import everything. Just give it in less than 1 minute. Can you see everything is done? Can you see everything is done? So what I'm going to do now is that the one I have here before, I will just delete it. I will delete this and I will delete this. Now this will be my stuff now. Just wait for it to load up. Now I have everything now, from our story to everything. Can you see everything is here now? So now what I just need to do is that, for example, now where we have find room now, it is not our link that is here. So I'll just come to my own website here, copy this find room link here now. So I'll come back to this place, delete this, delete it and put your own. They are building where I have about us, this where I put read more, click on it, come to this place, delete it, put your, just type about, or come to this place, copy your about us link, copy it and put it here. We have done with that also. So where we have our room, so the link of your room, just come to here, come to our room here. So when you come to your room here, just copy the link of each category of room. Now this is dealers. I will just come here. You see that immediately you over on this, you see the room showing up. Just copy this link. Just click on copy, or you can come here to click on copy. See the same thing. With everything, you see the same thing. So I'll come here. I'll under this standard room. I will delete the link we have here. Put in my website link there, my own link there. Come back to this place. Under dealers room again, copy it again. Come to this place. Under dealers here, click on the button here to edit. Delete it, paste your own. Come to this place again. Under executive room, what do you have here? Click on this room link, copy it, come back to this place, click on this button and delete what you have here, paste. So, and that is all. And you see that what should have taken you more than hours, and let us assume there's any picture you don't like, you want to edit it, just maybe you want to change this picture, click on this picture, it will show up for you here, and you can click on it and come and pick any picture you want to use in this place. And if you don't have the picture here, you can come and upload the picture, whatever the picture you want to use, you can come and upload it. So you understand, and the picture will show out for you. Maybe you want to edit the picture that is in this background, just click on this place and come to your style. This is the picture. This is the picture. You can change it and it will change to whatever thing you want. Maybe this is not the picture of this image you want. You can click on this and you can come and change the picture to anything, to the picture of the hotel you are building the site for. And after you have done everything successfully, and then you can change the picture. If you want to change this picture or this gallery, maybe it's not your hotel gallery, click on this pencil icon. This is all of them. Delete them and add your own hotel stuff. That is all. Simple as that. Once you delete them, you see a place to add your own. Click on them to add your own. And once you are done with it, you click on Word, Publish. Let's say you want to also change this picture here, at this background here. Click on this place. Once you click on this dotted icon, come to Style. And once you come to Style here, all you need to do is to wait for it to show. And these are the theory. Delete them. And once you delete them, add your own picture. That is all. So just click on Publish once you are done. So immediately you click on Publish. Once you are done, you go back to your website to go and refresh. Now let's go back to our home website. My Care Hotel. Can you see now that everything is clear? You can edit this one to your deleting. Okay, let me just edit this once and for all. Click on deleting hotel. Now just change it to My Care. click here again, change the leading to Michael. Click on publish. I want to update. Let me just wait for it to update. So come back to here, refresh. You see everything, and all these things are mobile responsive, very responsive mobile wise and the like. So now let's try. Let us me. I'm an audience now. I want to book a room. So firstly, let me change the price of the room from being in this price to, if you want to change the price from dollar, because the price will be in euro by default. So just come here and click on this particular place. So once you click on this particular, let me just show you how to change the price, rate, and everything. Can you see everything is there? Just come to rate and just come to global and come to configuration. Can you see configuration? So you just wait for it to load. Now all you need to do is, if you want to change this, because you will be able to print your receipt, your hotel booking details, you can print it and take it to the hotel. Just put your stuff here. I just put in what is it called, Michael Hotel. Now I come and change my logo here, my company logo. I'll just come, let me come to picture. Do I have a picture? Picture. Go to documents, maybe I can see my picture. Just pick this. Maybe this is this. I don't. Let's pick this also. Let me just use one. Let me pick this. So all I need to do is just check in time and everything, anything you want. So I'll just come here and click on save. So the next thing I want to do now is to go to my payment stuff. That's the major thing, price and payment. But let me wait for it to load. Now everything is done well. So let me come to my price and payment. So my price and payment, I want to be Naira. Naira code. Just come to Google and I will type Naira sign, Naira sign. Okay, fine. This is what would be the NGA. Our iOS code is NGN. Copy it. Come back to this Vik Booking. Book it here. And come to this place. Copy this Naira. And come here. And put it here. So come here. Copy this. Paste it here. Now, what I need to do now is to save. Now I've saved it now. Now let us say I want to come and book my room now. Now I come to this website now. I'm a visitor. I want to find a room. Okay, let me click on find room. So when I click on find room, you're going to ask me, when am I checking in? I'm going to click on, I'll be checking in tomorrow. And you're going to ask me, when am I checking out? I'll be checking out on 12th. I just want to use one day. Or let me just, I want to use 2 days. It will automatically calculate everything. And I'm just one adult. If we're 2 adults, you can put it here and say we're 2. Can you see? We are 2 maximum. How many rooms? If you're going to ask me, is it 1 room, or I'm just adult, 1 adult, 1 children, room 2. Okay, how many rooms? I'm just saying 1 room, sorry. 1 room. So 1 adult. Do you have any children? No. I can say, okay, we are 2. Anyhow, I'm just going to click on search. So immediately I click on search now, it's going to show for me that, oh wow, these are the room we have available here. We have standard room 200k, deluxe room 400k, and executive room 700k. Why is it 700k? Don't forget that standard room is 100k per non-refundable stuff, and we are using 2 nights. So that 2 nights, it has automatically calculated that 2 nights is 200k like that. So I'm going to click on, okay, let me just go for standard. I don't really like standard, so let me go for executive, as a CEO of the leading web design. I'm going to click on select and click on continue. So immediately I click on select and continue now, you see the next thing is going to show to me that, okay, this is the room. Oh, these are the things, these are the characteristics of the room. We have all these things, and these are the, can you see now, standard rate. This is it. Standard rate is 800k. Why? If you see under standard rate now, I can cancel it for free. Why? Non-refundable stuff is 700k. Like I said, okay, maybe let me go for standard rate or let me go for non-refundable. And I can decide to check this room. Let me see how the room look like. Can you see? Wow, this room is great. Let me check another picture. Oh wow, that is nice. I would like to be in this room. Do you understand like that? So this is the room. So I'll just close out of here. Okay, fine, I'm okay with this. Let me go for this non-refundable rate. So I'll click on book now. So I'll wait for it to wait for me. It will ask me, do I have any? Can you see now? 2 nights. This is it. And this is why the money total price is 700. If I have a coupon code, fine, I can put it here. And if you don't want coupon code, you can take it away. So let me just put my details name here. VAT. I can just put anything here. Just put blah blah blah. Let me just put anything here. Let me just please. I need someone to take me around the vicinity around the environment. Let me use environment here. So I agree to the terms and conditions. So the next thing, I can change my country to anywhere, change it to Nigeria, anything, but I'm going to go with that. Let me just go with the default one. Click on confirm reservation. Oh, what happened to my site? Why is my site showing this? Let me refresh. Yeah, sorry, the room has been booked. Okay, yeah, the room has actually been booked. So fine, and I will get an email that, okay, so the person has booked a particular room, and at the same time also the person will also get an email. But let me check it out here. Let me just click on find the room here. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Let me see. Let me show the process and everything again so that. So let me start again from all over. Let me just put what should I put? Let me use today and checking out today. Just one day. Click on search. Wait for it. So let me just come out and let me just pick this one. Let me just pick anyone now for now. For the sake of this tutorial, let me just select this. And when I select this, let me just wait for it to load. Now I'm going to spend one night, and then let me just put in. I can check out the picture and everything if I'm okay with it. Like the way I used to do. If you're okay with it, just close out of it, and then okay, just go with it. Book now. So just wait for it to load, and then you see it. You don't have anything, just fill your details. These are my details and everything, and then just agree to the terms and condition, and then click on confirm reservation, and then just wait for it to. I don't know what is happening to the plug. I guess this is might be a glitch because when you refresh now, it's going to show that you have booked you have booked stuff. What could be the issue? What could be the issue? What could be the issue? Okay, I think I know what is going on. Okay, please make new reservation. Okay, fine. I think let me come to my VIK. Let me come to booking shortcode. So I want to come to this shortcode. I think I know what happened. Room list, room availability, booking. Let me create. I didn't create booking details. Let me create new. Now let me come here. I think room details. If I create room list, let me create room details. Room details. Let me click on save and name. Now let me also create another one again. Booking details. Booking details. Save and name. So what else do I want to create again? Availability, booking list, package details, package list. Let me just click on package details. Let me do booking list. Let me go for package details first. Let me just create everything. Save and name. Let me see. I think with this now, I think let me just close. Let me now let me come to this room details, booking details. Let me create their page. Yeah. I think this is where the issue lies. So if I try this and probably if we still have the same error, I will just have to stop the video because that might be a boot error and find another stuff. But then as I just started, when I use it, it was working perfectly. So let's go check up. Let me go to our room. Control C, open a new tab. Let me open it in an incognito that I won't have this share here. So let's take a look at it. Yeah, we have a room list here. So let me just pick this. Okay, these are the room. Okay, fine. Let me just click on check-in. I'm going to check in today and check out this. Then let me just click on. Let me just wait for it to load. So I expect it to work now because everything is working perfectly. And I try it out, and so just click on book now. So after this, I'm going to click on OK. Let me just put my details. And I agree. Confirm reservation. If I'm getting this error, I don't know what might be the issue currently because now all our booking, we go back to the back end there now. Let me show you from here. Let's come back to my back end there. Can you see now? This is it now. I can see all the booking here. So I can actually see every booking that I have on our site now here. When the customer will arrive, when this, can you see now, availability, this today and today has been booked. So I don't know, maybe it's from my host chain. I don't know why I'm having this error. But then I will have to stop this video because I won't want the video too long. It might be my host chain, I don't know. But when I tried on a different host yesterday, it worked fine. So I don't know why I'm having the same issue today. Do you have any updates? Let me check maybe they have any updates. So, but then I will upload this video now. So maybe If I try it out and find out the issue, I might do another video again and talk about what the issue was, what really caused it. And you can also try it. You might not really have the issue. It might be from a hosting company. I don't know. But then you might try it on your hosting company and see. Maybe you have the same issue. So let's see how it goes. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. God bless you. I'll drop the what's it called, the template, the what's it called, all the file I use for this video. They are here. What's it called? Come to my desktop. I have all the hotel picture and the file. So we see everything I use for this video and the WordPress, the homepage design. So thank you very much. God bless you. See you in the next video.